Let's come out here so we can get like a shot of this. Turn around, bro. Right. Yeah, you guys play over there, away from the cement and stuff. Don't throw it in there, okay? Don't throw it in the cement, please.
Okay.
Don't jump in there either. So yeah, our place is gonna be transformed really quick because grabe, kusog. Gonna be fast. Look at all the cement here is drying. Now, all cement's drying. All over here. All the way over the base layer. Got more hollow blocks here, and even more, the whole base, all the way down here. Can you see from there? Then over here, even all the way over there. Ali. Almost the only spot is not here, but they got that big spot right there, that big one, and then the line and the other two spots. So even right behind the hollow block, so almost the whole bottom layer. Yeah. Nice. Oh, you're kicking it the wrong way. We're over here. She can't kick it that far. Hey. Kick it. Oh my god. Not into the cement lagi.
That's safe.
Okay. Whoa, nice kick. There we go. Boom. She doesn't know how to use her body. So that's the update on the fence right now. We got to figure out what we're gonna cook for dinner today, and then yeah, we'll see you guys in a minute.
5 hours later.
Mga hapon. Today's a wrap. They're already finished. They're heading home. Salamat kayo, guys. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat, sir. Thank you. They're finished for today. They're gonna go home and enjoy the evening. But yeah, it's looking good. Nandun kayo. We got this wall going on all the way over. Look at that. It's looking good. I don't think you guys have ever seen this side of the house like that, so nice little shot for you. Yan. Ooh, it's looking good, guys. Watch the transformation. Transformation is coming. Yeah, it's gonna be a new fence here pretty soon. Oh yeah. So see Jodalyn, she's out in town right now. My bro cameraman Richie, he went back home. We'll see him, today's Friday, so we'll see him Monday. But if I have an emergency, he'll come back Saturday. I don't think we'll need, but awesome pictures coming on our Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, because guys, we're upgrading big time. Like, we're gonna have like some sweet, amazing, fun pictures there. If you guys want to check out and follow us there, it's coming soon. But yeah, here's the day 3. Grabe, kusog. They're so fast. Day 3 of the fence is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sige, tara. May buntag, guys. Kuan. Karon, I'm gonna go shopping really early this morning. I think, well, it's not that early, but it is early for a Sunday. I'm gonna go to Altacita and go shopping after, but here's all my friends here. We're getting ready to ride. And then, padolong sila sa Ubay. They're all gonna go to Ubay. And they're heading out. Daghan mga riders karon. Sayang, I can't go. Excuse po. This is the meetup. Go Power Rangers, go! Go Power Rangers! You can't wait. Excited siya. Excited kayo. Mayang buntag. Duha ka baso. Yay! For shopping diri. So, palitan ko o duha ka slice or opat ka slice bread, and then I'm going to get duha ka baso. Salamat.
Thank you.
Winner! I'm the winner. Salamat na. Balik sa ko. Yan. Sure. So guys, sorry, I already finished shopping and I'm going back to the car. It's a huge box. It was just so heavy, and sorry I didn't really video. Okay, back in the car. Totally forgot to vlog in there, guys. It was more on forgetting because I was so like trying to figure out what I was gonna get because I didn't really have a list. I just shopped for whatever. I picked up a bunch of bread so the kids have snacks and stuff like that. We got juice, milk, cereal, stuff like that nature. Yan. So, tara, I got Jodalyn some medicine as well. Picked it up for her, and now it's time to go back and go put it in the fridge and stuff. It's really not that much though. Sige. Pila, how much is that?
100.
Huh?
100.
3 for 100? Palagbe. 3 for 100. Tulo. Tulo na lang. Yan. Salamat kayo. Thank you, sir. Oy, Brad. May buntag. Oo. Kumusta mo? Okay kayo? Sige. Amping, guys. Oh. Oh. Morning. Yan. So, I had to run out of the car really fast and get these. I thought he was gonna go all the way down that street, but he turned back luckily.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Daddy's back. So
Yay.
Daddy let me sleep in.
We got a phone call. So Josephine's going with her friend
Yes.
to the zoo,
And
and
I was so tired yesterday, guys, because Eric and Bernard had a photo shoot, and I was driving around.
We drove them everywhere.
I was driving around. I was their driver and everything.
Come
And
here, Kathleen.
Daddy
help
was
me.
taking a nap yesterday all day.
I was kind of tired.
So he went shopping, early morning shopping, grocery shopping.
Yeah, we need to clean the refrigerator. Even Kathleen was like, "Can we clean the refrigerator?" I'm like, "Yeah, we need to." But first, let's put these away before we clean it. We can put all these away. Like, we can put these here.
Kathleen, you still did not brush your hair. Where's the sudlay de ay? I've been buying a lot of comb. Kathleen,
Always buying combs, right?
I do. Where do you guys put it?
I don't know what to do with it. They just keep losing them.
I wanna like rebuild that bathroom so we have lots of stuff to kuan.
Mommy sounds happy.
Cause I've been asking her
Here's
to
lots
comb
for
her
your
hair.
For your breakfast. We have milk.
Take a bath.
Let's clean the fridge in a little
Oh,
bit.
why?
Let's eat
Okay, you
first.
take a bath too.
Why you're laughing?
Because why not?
Kathleen?
What?
Really, Kathleen? Do you want to talk back to me like that, Kathleen?
Yeah,
Don't
because-
talk back to her like that.
Because you were asking. And
I'm not even asking you, I'm asking Daddy.
Oh.
Dang. Nosy. Go eat.
Why you're buying all those stuff, honey? You're not allowed to buy the stuff.
This?
Yeah,
This is just in case of emergency.
in case of emergency. Wow, in case of emergency.
snack. I needed it last night so bad.
And why you're buying those kind of stuff,
I got
Daddy?
hot dog. I got
Don't
mayonnaise. What do you mean buying this stuff? What?
Like the tapioca cranberry, what's that?
Tapioca?
Tipco.
What's on tapioca?
Don't buy that, that's expensive.
Where?
That juice.
Just try it out. Have some fun. Now first.
What's this?
This refrigerator is breaking, guys, because Jocelyn will stand on this and it's literally bending stuff. Mommy's gonna buy me a new refrigerator.
Yeah, I don't like that refrigerator.
Me too, Daddy.
Joking.
Jokes. Alright, put
All
this
we
in the
have
fridge.
to do is clean it.
How about we give that away when we have a new one?
Well, we clean it and give it away, yeah. Fix it, maybe. How about that?
Doesn't need
What's
to be
that? What is
fixed.
that? Oh.
It's still fine.
I thought that was a spill. It looked like it leaked. When I was looking in there, it looked like this was there and it looked like it was leaking because of the.
Daddy, can we clean it today?
Can we eat first?
Please, I want to clean it.
Alright, you can clean it right now, but I'm gonna have a bite to eat. I'm hungry. Fried rice. Yan. Fried rice. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, so they're gonna clean the refrigerator. Good job. And they're before you put the new stuff in, you're gonna clean it out, right? So that you don't put the new stuff on top of a smudge or any spills, right? Cleaning. Okay.
Is this done?
Teamwork. Look at it. Look at it, silly. Is it look clean in there?
In there.
Is it clean?
It's
But you need to put you put the you put the juice and something heavy in the bottom ones because it won't fit up there, right?
yeah.
Okay, good. Sige.